Hello. How are you? Hello. How are you? I'm fine, thanks. I'm fine, thanks. What's your name? What's your name? My name is Alex. My name is Alex. Where are you from? Where are you from? I'm from Germany. I'm from Germany. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Nice to meet you too. How old are you? How old are you? I'm 20. I'm 20. What do you do? What do you do? I'm a student. I'm a student. Where do you live? Where do you live? I live in Berlin. I live in Berlin. What's your favorite color? What's your favorite color? I like blue. I like blue. Do you have pets? Do you have pets? Yes, I have a cat. Yes, I have a cat. What time is it? What time is it? It's 10 o'clock. It's 10 o'clock. Are you busy? Are you busy? Not really. Not really. Can I help you? Can I help you? Yes, please. Yes, please. What are you doing? What are you doing? I'm reading a book. I'm reading a book. Do you like music? Do you like music? Yes, I love it. Yes, I love it. What's your favorite food? What's your favorite food? I like pizza. I like pizza. How's the weather? How's the weather? It's sunny today. It's sunny today. Do you speak English? Do you speak English? A little bit. A little bit. What are your hobbies? What are your hobbies? I like drawing. I like drawing. Where are you going? Where are you going? To the park. To the park. When is your birthday? When is your birthday? In May. In May. Are you hungry? Are you hungry? A little. A little. Do you want coffee? Do you want coffee? Yes, thank you. Yes, thank you. What's wrong? What's wrong? Nothing much. Nothing much. Are you okay? Are you okay? I'm fine. I'm fine. Do you like movies? Do you like movies? Yes, very much. Yes, very much. What's your plan for today? What's your plan for today? I'll study. I'll study. Where's your phone? Where's your phone? On the table. On the table. Are you tired? Are you tired? A bit. A bit. What did you say? What did you say? I said hello. I said hello. Do you like traveling? Do you like traveling? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Have a nice day. Have a nice day. You too. You too. See you later. See you later. Take care. Take care. What time do you wake up? What time do you wake up? At 7 a.m. At 7 a.m.